Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to take off your gel nail polish. So first things first, I did these a while ago myself and they're looking rank. Some of them have fallen off. They just need to be redone. So I'm going to show you guys how to take off gel nail polish. So here's what I use. First, 100% pure acetone from Amazon. All of this is from Amazon. This Cuticle Remover, it's a lot cheaper than the Sally Hansen one, and it works exactly the same. You don't need it, but it makes everything look nice. Bowl to put your acetone in. Either a cotton ball, or I use 2 of these cotton pads. A pusher tool and a cuticle cutter tool. A brush to just brush off some dust. I have 2 types of nail files. One of them is really rough and one of them is really smooth and has like a buffery side. My favorite tool is this cuticle cutter. You just run it around like your cuticles like that and it cuts them. And then to finish everything off, obviously not necessary but is really nice, is cuticle oil. I also have a cuticle oil pen. I also use these. They're little nail clips as opposed to tinfoil to hold everything in. They're reusable, they're great. So that's why I get them. So the first things first, you're going to take your acetone and pour some into your bowl. I like to use, okay, you also might want like a washcloth. I suggest filling the bowl a good bit. That's like a third. I mean, we're all not gonna have the same bowl, so that was stupid to say, but fill it up a good bit because you're gonna have to refill it a couple times. Unlike cotton balls, these cotton pads are not like so easy to rip apart. I guess you can. I was about to use scissors, but wow, I really just tore that apart. So I guess tear it apart into 10 pieces. So since I like to use both my hands, I'm only going to do one at a time, which is slower, and you can definitely do it a different way, but I like having at least one of my hands free. Okay, so I just did my left hand, and so I'm going to show you guys the right hand. The first thing you want to do with your gel nail polish is take off the top shiny coat with your, like a medium one. You want to go through and take the shiny layer off of every nail. So you can see that there's some on the side. You want to go everywhere. And your nails are going to look really gross. That's okay. File it all off. And this is why you want to have this here too. It'll catch a lot, as you can see. Every nail is off. So there's that. And then what you want to do, match them to your nails. So I'm going to use that one for my pinky, this one for my ring, for my middle finger, and then I'll do this bigger one for my thumb. Okay, my camera definitely just died, but what I was saying was take your pieces and take your nail clippers that you can substitute with tinfoil. You're going to soak your acetone, place, and then clip. Do it again 4 more times. So now what you're going to do is you're going to wait with these on for 10 minutes at least, and then I will see you guys after I'm done. So it's been 10 minutes and we're going to check them quickly. So you want to take it off pretty gently, and then they might not be done. You just have to check. So what you're going to do is take your scraper tool. I already did it. So it's going to be a little tough to take off compared to a nail salon. So you can also take this angled side and kind of separate it from your skin. But like this isn't really giving, as you can see. Yeah, this isn't budging. So dip, place, go back for like 5 minutes. let's check another nail. Let's check this one. I'm no expert. So theoretically, if you weren't like bad at putting it on for the first time ever, like me, not be bad to get off. So there's that nail. So these two are pretty good. Now it's time for the cleanup. So while these soak, we're gonna do a little bit of cleanup on these guys. The first thing I usually do is go ahead and just use your buff and buff out the tops a little bit. And then you're gonna wanna get in the detail and get the rest of whatever you couldn't get off. So I think this one's good roughly, and then this one. So I'm going to wait for these and then clean these off and then come back and show you guys what to do then. Okay, so I went ahead and did all of those. Now in this time, you can clean up a little bit, get rid of all these. Your nails just went through a lot and now you just want to make them nice. You should probably let them sit without gel nail polish for a little bit, let them breathe. So take this time to file and clip your nails as they should be. Before you do that, go wash them with hot water and scrub your individual nails. And then I'm going to do that and then show you what they look like. Okay, so now I've clipped and filed down pretty low, and I'm going to use this cuticle remover now, and all you want to do is read the directions on the back. This one doesn't really have a time to set on it. I usually set it down for a good bit, so you're going to put a good bit on each nail, rub it in, and then go wash your hands again with warm water. I've gone ahead and washed that all off. As you can see, my nails are a little agitated. That's okay. That'll go away with time. Next, always good for your hands, use some lotion. What else to do? I forgot to show you guys this part. I just didn't do it this time because my cuticles weren't as bad. But a tool like this will allow you to just run up and down your nail and catch some of it. I don't really have much right now, but this tool is awesome. But there's some. Let's see if you can get it. And it won't cut you. You don't have to be precise. It's gross. But that's, you know. And then I'm going to take my cuticle oil and take the dropper, get some inside of the dropper, and you're just going to do little dots at the end of each cuticle. And what you're going to do is you're going to rub them in right at the cuticle. And your nails shouldn't be like screaming at you anymore. Ooh, that is a lot. Well, you know, don't use that much. So, thank you for coming with me as I removed my gel nail polish. It's not perfect, but, you know, getting it removed is not worth the $10 that it costs. So this will either save you money next time you go, or you can do them at home, which I will be making a video about with a really cheap and easy and great kit from Amazon. Thank you.